Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Creative Design. Today we will design this section of our FoodPanda app. So for this section we can follow this card. So first of all copy this card, and this is the property of a component. So first of all we can detach this one, and now we will edit this. We don't have any need this one and this one. Also this icon. So delete those, and the width will be 263 and the height will be 132. Yeah, perfect. This part, the radius will be 8 and 8. Control D and delete this one. The text will be top restaurant, and here the text will be save 10% on pickup. Good. Here the background color will be black 80. Good. This text will be brown. Great. This dot is too small, so we can resize this one to, yeah, perfect. And here the text will be 1.9 kilometers away. We can duplicate this one. Pick up in 10 minutes. Great. Yeah, good. Now we have to design this section. For this, we can copy this one. This one will be 5,000 plus. Yeah, 3.9. This one will be medium 12. Okay, and the color will be black 80. Now we need the star icon. For star icon, we can go here, star. Download the SVG icon. Drag and drop on our file. This will be 16. The stroke will be 1. Ctrl X, Ctrl V, and the color of this icon will be this color. So for this, we can take the color from here. Yeah, yellow, and the another color will be this one. Great. Now we can add this color in our color style. This will be yellow, get style, and this will be reddish brown. Get style. Done. Now we can delete. The stroke color will be reddish brown, and we can add a fill color yellow. Perfect. Let's auto layout. Shift A, and the space between two middle align. Ctrl X, Ctrl V, Shift A. Yeah. Fill the container. Perfect. Now This will be 8, and the radius will be 12. Perfect. We can change the image. For image, we can go on a splash. Yeah, this one. Copy the image, paste here, export the image. Yeah. Now we can use it. Wow, good. You can also add here a fill color. White. Yeah. Shift A, and the space will be 16. Perfect. Now we need this map. So for map, we can go Google Map. Yeah. Default. Can take a screenshot. Yeah. Copy the screenshot. Paste here. By press Ctrl, we can edit the image. 246. Ctrl Z, Ctrl Z. By pressing Ctrl, we can edit this one. Done. Perfect. Now we can copy this section and put the map here. Delete this section and remove this one. Shift A, 16. Fill the content. Now we can put the image here. Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Fix the image here. We need 40 on upper. Yeah, perfect. Ctrl X, Ctrl V. Perfect. And the text will be pick up at a restaurant near you. Done. Now we can see it. Good. So we will come back soon with new video. Till then, stay with us and bye bye.